welcome to Altrius. In this session, we'll discuss about a very important topic. It is about profit, loss, and discount. So let's get started. We'll discuss what is profit, loss, and discount, then some important formulas, and then some important exercise. First, what is profit, loss, and discount? When somebody buys something in the market or from someone for a given price and subsequently sell it to someone for different price, one can make profit or loss. So there is an item. This is an item, say. Now somebody buy it. Somebody buy it. And then he sell it to somebody else. When he buy it, the price at which he buy it is called cost price. And when he sell it to another person or customers at different prices, then it is called selling price. So when selling price is more than the cost price, he will get the profit. He will get more money, and so it will be the profit. So profit will be, what will be the profit then? It will be sell price minus the cost price. On the other hand, when sell price is less than the cost price, that means he will lose money. So that loss will be CP minus SP, cost price minus the sell price. Now what is mark price? Mark price is the price printed on the product or item. Generally, it is in the shop. Before selling, a price tag is put on that dresses or any other items, and that is called mark price. So generally, the seller marked the price on any article more than its cost price, and this percentage is called markup price. And then another important thing is discount. Discount is the reduction or rebate provided by the seller or shop to a customer for a product. Then that is called discount. So discount is generally marked price, the printed price minus the selling price. So that is the discount. Now equivalent discount percent. When two successive discounts are given, say A% and then B%, two successive discount given, then equivalent discount may be calculated by the formula A plus B minus A into B by 100. We'll do some problem related to it, then it will be clear. And then now we'll discuss some important formula. Profit is SP minus CP. That is already, we have discussed this one already. When SP is greater than CP, the profit will be SP minus CP, selling price minus cost price. On the other hand, loss will be cost price minus SP when CP is more than the SP. When the selling price is more than the cost price, it will be profit. And when cost price is more than selling price, it will be loss. Now, what will be the profit percentage? So, profit percentage is, say, profit percentage. First, we have to do, first we will find out the profit. How much is the profit? Profit is selling price minus cost price divided by original price, that is cost price, into 100%. So this will be the SP minus CP is the profit. So profit minus, we can say profit or is equal to by cost price into 100%. This is the profit percentage. Now similarly, loss percentage will be loss by original price, that is cost price, into 100%. And loss is cost price minus SP by cost price into 100%. That is the loss percentage. And then next one is number 5, discount. So discount is already we got, that is the mark price minus selling price. This difference is, we first printed a price on the item, that is mark price. Then finally, after giving discount, we sell it, and that is SP. Now this difference of the selling price and the price printed on the item, this difference is called discount price. Discount percentage will be discount percentage is equal to discount. In this case, original price will be mark price. Other than this, in another two case, profit and loss, the original price will be the cost price. So discount is equal to MP minus sell price by MP into 100%. This is the discount percent. Equivalent discount, if we know two discount A and B discount percentage, and it will be A plus B minus A into B into 100. These are the important formulas. We have to remember it and we have to apply it in different problems. So let's, an article was sold for rupees 500 and loss of 35%. What was its cost? So what is given here? Sell price, that is rupees 500. Then loss percentage, that is 25. So what we have to find out, what is the cost price. So we know the loss percentage formula, 25% equal to CP. In this case, CP will be more than SP, that is why it is loss. So by CP into 100%. So CP we don't know, SP is 500 and by CP into 100%. So we have to do cross multiplication, then we'll get 25 this one, and then it will be multiplied by Cp. 25 Cp equal to this 100 will multiply both the number 100 Cp minus 500 into 100. That is like this. Now we simplify. We'll take 25 Cp to this side and 500,000 to opposite side. Then we'll get 75 Cp equal to 500,000. Then Cp will be 500,000 by 75, and this will be 667. So cost price will be rupees 667. That will be the answer. Also, do it another easy way. Say it is a loss of 25%. So loss of 25%, that means 100% minus 25% of Cp, that is a 75% of Cp is equal to 500. Okay, that is 0.75 Cp equal to 500, or Cp we can find out 500 by 0.75. That means 500,000 by 75, and that will be 667. So without using that standard formula, this way also we can do this kind of problem. It is more easier. So let's do the next one. Question 2. The cost price of 50 article is the same as the selling price of 20 article. Find the gain percentage. So to make it easier, this kind of problem, what we'll do, the cost price of 50 article is same as the selling price of 20 article. So first we find out the cost price of 50 article. Say cost price, assume cost price of 50 article equal to rupees 100. Now Cp of one article will be how much? 100 by 50, so it will be rupees 2. Now selling price of 20 article is equal to, what is total? Selling price of 20 article is the cost price of 50 article. So cost price of 50 article we already considered rupees 100. So it will be the same. Selling price of 20 article same as cost price of 50 article, which we assume rupees 100. So here also it will be same. So selling price of one article will be how much? That will be 100 by 20. That is rupees 5. So cost price is rupees 2 per article, and selling price of one article will be rupees 5. So selling price is more than cost price, so it will be profit. Now question is find the gain percent. Gain means profit. So profit percent or gain percent equal to, we know it is Sp minus Cp by Cp into 100. So sale price of one article is rupees 5, and cost price of one article is rupees 2, and cost price is 2 into 100. So that is 3 by 200. So this will be 150%. This will be 100%, 100%, 100%. So it will be 150%. Next question. Bananas are bought at the rate of 6 for rupees 5 and sold at the rate of 5 for rupees 6. What is the profit percentage? So to make it easy and to avoid fraction and decimal, first we will take the LCM of 5 and 6. LCM of 5 and 6, which is equal to 30. Now we'll take the now we will consider uh, number of bananas, say 30. So we'll assume number of bananas 30. Now what is the selling price of 30 bananas? That will be 5 rupees, 6 for rupees 5, so 1 for rupees 5 by 6. Okay, so for 30 bananas selling price will be rupees 25. Sorry, this is not selling price, this is cost price. And then selling price will be sold at the rate of 5 for 6. So 1 for 6 by 5. If it is 5 for rupees 6, then 1 for rupees 6 by 5. So we are considering 30 bananas. So 5, we can divide 6. So rupees 36. So sale price is rupees 36 and cost price is rupees 25. So here SP is greater than CP. Then this will be profit. Now profit percentage is equal to SP minus CP by CP by 100%. So what is SP? 36. 36 minus 25. CP is 25 into 100%. So this is 11 by 25 into 100%. So this we can 4. So 4 into 11, 44. So profit percentage will be 44%. Let's move to next one. A man bought oranges at the rate of 8 for rupees 34 and sold them at the rate of 12 for 57. How many oranges should be sold to earn a net profit of rupees 45? So again in this case, here rate is 8, rate of 8 and 12. So first we will take the LCM of 8 and 12. How will we find out the LCM of 8 and 12? LCM of 8 and 12. 8, 4, 3 is 12. So LCM is 4 into 2 into 3. That will be 24. So we will find out now cost price for 24 oranges. That will be 34 rupees for 8 oranges. So 34 divided by 8 into 24. For 24 oranges, the price will be 34 by 8 into 24. So this will be rupees 102. Now sell price for 25 oranges. It was sold for 57 rupees for 12. So rupees 100, that is the sell price. Now here we can say SP is more than CP, so it will be the profit. So profit is how much? So profit is 114 minus 102. So this will be rupees 12 profit. Now what we have to find out, how many oranges should be sold to earn a net profit of 45. Now here, to get profit of rupees 12, we have to earn rupees 12, he has to sold how many oranges? 24 oranges. Now to earn rupees 45, he have to sold 24 by 12, 24 by 12 into 45. So 12 to, so 2 into 45 is equal to 90. So how many oranges he have to sell? 90 oranges he have to sell to earn rupees 45. This is how we have to solve this kind of problem. Next question. On selling an article for rupees 150, a shopkeeper loses 10%. In order to gain 20%, he must sell this article at rupees. At what price he have to sell it? So on selling an article for 150 rupees, so selling price is equal to 150 and loss percentage is equal to 10%. In order to gain profit, or in order to gain 20% profit, he must sell the item at the rest. So first let's find out the CP. His loss is 10%. So we'll do it easy way. So CP will be $150 by 0.90 because 10% means 100 minus 10 minus 10%, that is equal to 0.9. That means 90%. 90% means 0.9. So when we divide 150 that is sale price by 0.9, then we'll get the cost price. So that will be 165. This will be equal to 165. Now we know the cost price is 165 rupees. Now what is will be the selling price in order to get profit of 20%? So that is simple. Sell price will be 120 by 100, 120% of the cost price, 165. Six, then 5 3 33 into 6, 198. So this will be 198. That will be the answer. A sells a suitcase to B at 10% profit. B sells it to C at 30% profit. If C pays 2860 rupees 2860 for it, then what is the price at which he bought it? So A sells the suitcase to B at the, say, uh, the price at which he bought is CP. Okay, CP is the price at which he bought it. Now first A sell suitcase to B, A sell it to B. Okay, so at what price? Sell price will be, so this is CP into first at 10% profit. So that will be 110 by 100. Then this is to B. So this is this he sell to B. Then B to C, again it will be at 30% profit. That will be 130 by 100. That is, and this he will get the final price 2860, that is the selling price. Now from here we can find out the CP. So if we simplify it, then we'll get the CP value is rupees 2000 when we will do the simplification. By selling an article for rupees 1200, Raju gains a profit of 15%. At what price Raju should sell the item to get 25% profit? So SP1 1200, then profit 1 is 15%. So what is CP then? First we'll find out the CP. Now CP will be we can find out in through the formula. If we do it through the formula, it will be like this: 15 equal to SP1 minus CP by CP into 100. So it will be 15 equal to 1200 minus Cp by Cp into 100. So 15 Cp is equal to 1200 into 100. We'll get this. Then 100 Cp. So if we change it, so we'll get 115 Cp is equal to 120,000. Then we simplify it, then Cp will be 120,000 divided by 115, and that will be equal to 1090. This is the value of Cp. Now once we know the value of Cp, cost price 1090, now we can know that at what price Raju should sell the item to get 25% profit. So SP2 at 25% profit will be 125 by 100 into 1090, and that is equal to 1362.5. So this will be the answer. An article is marked 20% above CP cost price, then 10% discount is given by the shopkeeper. An article is marked 20% above CP, then 10% discount given by the shopkeeper. Find profit or loss percentage in the whole transaction. So first, let's assume cost price CP is equal to rupees 100. Then MP will be, it is marked 20% above it, so it will be 100 plus 20 by 100 into 100. So it will be rupees 120. Now sell price, now discount is given 10%. 10%. So what will be the sell price? That will be MP minus 10% of MP. That is 120 minus 10 by 100 into 120. That is equal to 120 minus 12. That is 108. Now SP minus CP is equal to 108 minus 100 is equal to rupees 8. That is the profit. This is the profit. So profit percent will be rupees 8 by CP. This is profit by CP into 100%. That is 8 by CP is 100. So 8 by 100 into 100%. So this 100 cancel. So this will be 8%. So answer will be the 8%. Next question, question 9. The cost price of an article is 40% of its selling price. What percentage of the cost price is the selling price? Cost price of an article is 40% of its selling price. So if selling price, so let's assume selling price is equal to rupees 100. Then cost price will be 40% of 100. That will be rupees 40. Okay. What percentage of the cost price is the selling price? So what percentage? So percentage of selling price of cost price. Percentage selling price of cost price. That means what is the selling price? 100, and it is of cost price. What is the cost price? 40. So into 100. So this 5, 50 into 5, 250. So it will be 250%. So option D is the correct answer here. Next question. By selling an article, a man makes a profit of 25% of its selling price. His profit percentage is. When selling an article, a man makes a profit of 25% of its selling price. Say again, here we take selling price is rupees. We assume selling price is rupees 100. Then when he sell at 100, he make a profit of 25%. So profit he make is rupees 25. If it is 100, he will make the 25. So his profit. So what will be the CP then? CP will be 100 minus 25. So it will be 75. So profit percentage is profit 25 by CP 75 into 100%. This is 3. So 100 by 3 is equal to 33 by 1 by 3%. An article is sold at a loss of 10%. Had it been sold for rupees 9 more, there would have been a gain of 12.5% on it. The cost price of this article is. So it's a tricky question. First we have to find out equation. So an article is sold at a loss of 10%. So say first he sold it at SP, say selling price 1 equal to 10% of CP. So that will be cost price minus 10 by 100 of CP. That is 0.90 CP. This is equation 1. Now had it been sold for rupees 9, there would have been a gain of 12.5% on it. Now SP2 12.5% on cost price. So that will be 1.125 into CP. Now they have given SP2 equal to SP selling price of 1 plus rupees 9. SP1 plus 9. So in case of here SP1 is equal to 0.125 CP and SP1 is equal to 0.90 CP is equal to 9. So when we simplify it, we'll get CP equal to 40. 1.125 minus 0.9 then equal to 9. Then we divide CP, then we'll find out, we'll get CP is equal to 40 rupees 40. So this will be the correct answer in this question. If an article is sold at 200% profit, then the ratio of cost price to selling price will be at what ratio? So first we consider cost price is equal to rupees 100. Then sell price will be 200% profit, so it will be that will find out 200% profit, that means 200%. So SP minus 100 by 100 into 100%. So this will be cancelled. So 200% is equal to 200 SP minus 100. So SP will be equal to 300. So when CP is equal to 100, SP will be 300. Now the ratio of CP to SP will be then 100 by 300. 1 is to 3. So the correct answer will be 1 is to 3. Next question. What single discount is equivalent to two successful discount of 20% and 15%? We know the formula equivalent discount equal to equivalent discount for two successful discount will be A plus B minus 2B by 100. This is the standard formula. And what are the two successful discount? 20% and 15%. 20 into 15 by 100. This will be 5, 10 again, 3. So 20 plus 15, 35 minus 3 is equal to 32%. So this will be the correct answer here. Next question. The marked price of a table is rupees 12,000. If it was sold for 10,500 after allowing a certain discount, then the rate of discount is. So here what is given? Mark price rupees 12,000, selling price rupees 10,500. So discount is 12,000 minus 10,500. That is equal to 1,500 rupees 1,500. Now we have to find out rate of discount. That is that is percentage. So this equal to discount by MP into 100%. So this will be 1500 by 12,000 into percent. So simplify it. So 12.5%. That will be the answer here. Next question, by selling an article for rupees 450, I lost 20%. For what amount should I sell it to gain 20%? So here SP is equal to 450. Now I lost 20%. So what will be the CP? CP will be 450 by 100 minus 100% minus 80%. 450 by 20%. 20% equal to 100 by 20%. Sorry. So this will be 80%. Let me correct it. 450. So 100% minus 20%. That means 80%. 80% means 0.80. 450 by 0.8 equal to, if we simplify it, 562.5. Now, for what amount it should be sold to gain 20% profit? To gain 20% profit, the sale price will be 120 by 100 into 562.5 is equal to 675 rupees, and that will be next question. A shopkeeper marks his good 20% above his cost price and gives 15% discount on the market price. His grain price is, a shopkeeper marks his good 20% above his cost price. So say CP is equal to rupees 100. Then what will be the mark price? 20% above 100. That means that will be 100 plus 20 by 100 into 100. That will be rupees 120. And give 15% discount. So discount given is, so if we give 20%, 15% discount, what will be the sale price? So 15%, 15 is equal to MP minus sale price by MP into 100%. So we know 120 minus SP by 120 into 100% is equal to 15%. So simplify 12, 15 into 12 is equal to 120 into 10, 1200 minus 10 SP. So we take 10 SP here, and SP will be, we can find out 120 into 10 minus 15 into 12 by 10, and this will get 102. That is the SP. Now what if SP is 102 and CP is 100, then what will be the overall profit percent? So that will be profit will be, first let's say profit will be 102 minus 102. So this will be 2 by 100 into 100%. So this will be equal to 2%. So this will be the correct answer here. Next question. A fruit seller buys orange at the rupees 10 per dozen and sells at the rate rupees 12 per dozen. His gain percentage is, so it's a simple one. So number of oranges, say number of orange is 12. Then CP will be 10 and SP is equal to 12. So SP is more than CP, so it is a profit. Profit is 12 minus 10, this is 2. So profit or gain percent will be 2 by CP is equal to 10 into 100%. So 10 you cancel, 2 into 10, 20. So 20% will be the gain percentage. So option B is the correct option here. Let's do the next one. If the ratio of cost price and selling price of an article is 10:11, the percentage of profit is, so it is given 10:11 CP by SP equal to 10:11. So CP is equal to 10x, SP is equal to 11x. The percentage of profit, so percentage of profit will be 11x minus 10x percentage profit. Sell price minus cost price by cost price into 100%. So here 11x minus 10x is equal to x by 10x. We can cancel the x into 100%. So 10 or 10 we cancel, we'll get 10%. So it will be the correct answer here. Next question. By selling a bicycle to rupees 2850, a shopkeeper gains 14%. If the profit is reduced to 8%, what will be the sale price? So SP1 to SP1, SP1 rupees 2850 and profit 1 is equal to 14%. Now we can find out here from here CP. So if this profit, so profit will be, if we simple way we do it, 2850 divided by 1.14, then directly we'll get the CP because of 14%. 114 by 100, so that will be giving a 1.14. So we'll get this one. If we do it, we'll get 2500. Now we have to find the profit reduced to 8%. So SP2, if we need profit 8%, then 100 8 by 100 into 2500. So if we simplify it, we'll get 108 into 25, that will give you 2700 rupees, 2700. So this will give the correct answer. Next question 20. A man purchased an article for rupees 1500 and sold it at 25% above the cost price. If he has to pay rupees 75 tax on it, his net percentage profit will be okay. So here SP1 we have to find out. So CP is given 1500 and profit of 1500. So SP1 will be 125. If we do directly, we can directly find out like this way. So it will give us rupees 1875. Now profit will be 375. But there is a tax. Tax is 75. Is 75. So net profit is equal to profit minus tax, that is 375 minus 75. So net profit will be rupees 300. So net profit percentage will be net profit by CP into 100%. That is 300 by CP is 1500 into 100%. That will be, if we simplify, this will get easily 20%. So option D is the correct answer here. Thank you. That's all for today. Thank you for joining this session. Hope it is useful to you. And these questions are really very important. And please do the practice. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thank you.